So what marketing branding materials do you have currently? Can you type in the chat box what marketing materials that you currently have at the moment? Don't be shy. Let me know. Who has a presentation pack? Say number 1. If you've got a presentation pack in the chat, say number 1. If you've got a website funnel, say number 2 in the chat. If you've got scheduling software, say number 3 in the chat. If you've got banners, roll up banners, standing banners, say number 4 in the chat. If you're giving away freebies, say, everyone loves freebies, don't they? Say number 5 in the chat. Can my team just, because I've got hundreds of messages here, so it's a bit hard for me to see your messages. So I do apologize if you put things in the chat box and I haven't seen it. So can my team please let me know what numbers have come up? Because I want to know how many people are using all of these methods. Let's have a look. Excellent. So 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. Flyers. Number 2. Excellent. Flyers. Bags. Yeah, bags are good ones. See, you notice whenever you go to an event, everyone's grabbing freebies. When I've done exhibitions, even the things that I've taken to put things in for me to take back, people have tried to get that as well. I'm like, no, that's not for sale. So people like freebies. So why put in here, right? I want you to put number 10 if anyone is offering where they're doing care for free. Say 10. Say 10 if you are doing that in the chat. Oops, sorry. Yeah? Can someone put a 10 in the chat box? Is no one offering free care? You're not doing any specials, free promotion. We're going to do a free 12-hour shift. Excellent. So someone is doing a freebie. So what is it that you're offering, Debbie? For example, did you get work from that, or have you just done it as a one-off and that's it? What is your story? Okay, what was it? Was it a QR code? Was it, where you called someone and say, we're offering a free shift, for example, a free 6-hour shift? So only one person has said that they offer that. You could do that once in a while, just like how I'm doing these trainings here. Why can't you do that within your healthcare organization? See, when I had my agencies, etc., we did free care. When I wanted to get work from care homes, I offered to do care for free. And then in the end, what happened is I had 6 staff members in at the same time on a daily basis being paid. Isn't that great? So I would definitely try that. Yeah, half a day shift is fine. Independent carer, still do it. Doesn't matter. You've got to try that. If you want to try and look at getting people to use your services, then offer that to them. As long as you're regulated, you've got all your up-to-date DBSs, your CRB checks, criminal record checks, etc., training, you've got your license, or maybe you're independent, because in the UK you can be an independent private personal assistant. Personal assistant. Same in the States, you can do private as well, independent. So why not offer that? Just say, give me a try. I've got all these credentials here, so things are good to go. I'm ready to go. Let me serve you. Try it. It works. It really does. I did, and I ended up where I had 6 shifts being covered, all at the same time. And then at night time, there'd be 3 staff there. In one home, this is. I had other homes as well. And offer this in, the assisted living, the sheltered housing. Offer that to that facility as well. You will be full. You'll be busy. I'll just drink my water.